Hi, my reading bats, Dom, Isabella, and Louise. You guys get a new book today called Horse Hero. You're going to want to make sure you get this book from Ms. Hall. Once you do, take a look at the cover. What are some things that you notice? Now turn the book over and let's read the blurb on the back. A four-legged superhero? When Anthony Sexton was surrounded by fire, his horse saved his life. The rescue is a thrilling story, but it leaves us wondering, could a horse really know how to save a person? I don't know. What do you think? Stop. Write your prediction on a sticky note and put it on the front cover of your book. Then start this recording again. Now that you made your prediction, let's look at the table of contents. Looks like we have 5 chapters in this book. We have Lifesaver, that starts on page 3. Fire, that starts on page 4. An Escape Plan, that starts on page 8. A Safe Place, that starts on page 15. And Coming Home, that starts on page 21. Maybe the titles of those chapters will help you change your prediction or change your thinking. All right, as you turn to page 3, I want you to see if you can find the heading. Did you point right here at Lifesaver? That's the heading. It's like a title, and it's going to kind of give us some information about what's going to happen on this page. What do you notice is happening in the photograph here? Who do you think that might be? Again, make some predictions in your head. Turn to page 4. Do you see the heading on this page? Did you say fire? All right, see if you can find the caption on this page. Here's the caption. The fire spread quickly from one place to the next. It seems to be telling us about this photograph. How do you think you'd feel if you saw this happening? I think I'd be pretty scared. All right, turn to the next page. Let's see what text features we can find here. I see a photograph. I wonder what all that black smoke is. I see a caption. I also see a map. The caption seems to be telling me a little bit more about the map. This map shows where fires burned in Victoria, Australia in 2009. I wonder if that's where this photograph was, in Victoria, Australia. I guess we'll have to read and find out. All right, now I want you to read the entire text yourself. Use 3 sticky notes to mark your comprehension strategies. When you're done reading, you're going to put your book into your pouch and into your backpack to reread tonight for homework. Now you're ready to move on to work on writing. I want you to think about first finishing your folk tale. Louise, you don't need to do this because you weren't here for any of the teaching around it. But Dominic and Isabella, you need to finish your folk tale. Dominic, you need to get out your writer's notebook and plan your folk tale. It needs to be finished. Isabella, you have your plan done. You just need to get into Google Classroom and finish typing your draft. Louise, you're ready to move on to step 2. Dominic and Isabella, you'll move on there when you're done. You're going to go to the Word Work Hyperdoc. It's in Google Classroom in the About section, and you need to look down for Word Work. You'll find a Hyperdoc that says Open and Close Syllables. When you open it, you're going to start at the top and follow the directions in the blue section up at the top. There's going to be a video to watch. You can choose to watch the second video. And then you'll move on to the green section. Try today to get the blue and green sections finished. All right, finally, it's time to do your reading response in Google Classroom. You'll probably want to use Horse Hero to help you write about a comprehension strategy you used today. I look forward to reading what you wrote. I hope you had a good afternoon, and I'll see you tomorrow.